Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. So, children, today we'll be continuing our chapter 3 of computer studies. The name of the chapter is Word Processor and Introduction. Children, in the previous class, I've explained you what is word processor, what are the uses of word processor, and what are the features of word processor. Children, today I will show you how to start the word processor. See, there are various type of word processor, but the most common, most useful and user friendly word processor is Microsoft Word. It has lots of version: 2007, 10, 13, 15, 18, many more are there. But we'll discuss 2007 because it is the most user friendly Microsoft Word, that is word processor. First of all, children, see the steps. Children, the steps to start Microsoft Word is, first of all, you need to click, that is step 1. Click the start button, then click all programs, then click Microsoft Office, then click Microsoft Office Word. It may be 2007, 2010, based on the installed version on your computer. So children, now I will be showing you graphically how we click on the start button, then all program, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Word. See this. So see graphically how we do this. This is the start button. We have to click this first, then we have to move toward all program, and here we have to search for Microsoft Office, and see here is 2007 version, so we have to search Microsoft Office Word 2007. Then we need to click this one. So children, this is the Microsoft Word, okay, or word processor. So now next we'll move towards component of word processor. So children, now you know how to open Microsoft Word. Now let's move towards components of Microsoft Word. So children, what are the components? There are so many components in Microsoft Word, but few important which we need to know that I have highlighted. So I'll be explaining that one. Listen properly. The first component is known as title bar. It appears on the top of the screen. Okay, title bar displays the name of the current document. It also contains minimize, maximize and close button. It also holds the quick access toolbar. So now you know that which one is known as title bar. Let us see which one. See the top part, the arrow is pointing. Document 1, Microsoft Word. The total stripe, the total bar is known as title bar. Okay, so after title bar, let us move towards next important component of word processor. Quick access toolbar. Children, as just now I have told you, quick access toolbar present on title bar. It is present on the title bar. This helps us to do common tasks with just one click. Common tasks like save, new, open, these are some common tasks. You don't have to search, you don't have to click the various buttons. Instead, icons are displayed on the title bar. Directly you can click. Let us see which portion or which part of Microsoft Word is known as quick access toolbar. Children, see the arrow pointing. That particular part at the title bar is known as quick access toolbar. Now children, let us move toward next component. The next component is ribbon. Ribbon just below the title bar. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Tabs and groups. Each tab contains command arranged in different groups. Each tab contains command arranged in different groups. And ribbon contain how many part? Two part. What are they? Tabs and groups. Now let us check. Let us see which portion of Microsoft Word is known as ribbon. See the childrens, just below the title bar. Up you can see there is home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. These are known as tab. And each tab has a groups. See, home tab has a group like clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. In the same way, insert tab, paragraph, page layout tab, each and every tab it has groups. And each group has buttons which are important tools for Microsoft Word, and which help us to do various formatting and editing of text. So this is known as ribbon. So children understood what is ribbon? Now let us move to next topic. Is a file tab. File tab usually blue in color. Okay, it's a blue tab. It is also known as blue tab, located in the upper left corner of Microsoft Word. When you click File tab, you can see Microsoft Office Backstage View. Okay, so what is Backstage View? It shows the set of commands used to manage the document, like creating, saving, opening, printing, and so on. Okay, it's usually in blue color. When you click there, when you double click there, the file tab appears. The file menu is actually the olden versions. Before 2007 versions, there was no tab, no ribbon. Instead, the Microsoft Word, they contain the file, view, menu. Okay, like this type of menu they used to contain. So that features of file is still present, but it is in blue color, means invisible. When you double click there, then the file tab appears and you can perform saving, opening, printing, closing, such type of important task. Let us see which portion is known as file tab. Just beside to home tab, okay, is known as file tab. There you need to simply click, double click, you will find file tab appears. So let us move towards next important component. Document area. Document area, it is a large white space to type the text. So I guess I don't have to show you by arrow that which portion is known as document area, because everyone can see the white space where we type, that is known as document area. Still, see this. Children understood which one is known as document area? The white color screen where you type the text, that is known as document area. So now let us move toward next topic or component, that is known as status bar. See the name, status bar. Display the status, like display the page numbers. It display the words, how many words we have typed. Then if you see the screen, where it is at the bottom of the screen, bottom of Microsoft Word, you can see there. Okay, So status bar, it displays the page number, number of words and zoom options, and it is present at the bottom of screen. Let us see by arrow pointing. Now clear children? Understood which one is known as status bar? Very good children. So now let us move to next component, cursor. See, usually we know that cursor are arrow pointing of mouse. Wherever, in whichever direction we move the mouse, cursor also moves. But in Microsoft Word, cursor appears as a blinking line. A small line will be appears in a document area and which continuously blink. That is actually known as insertion point also, because that point is the beginning of a text. You need to type the text from that particular point. The cursor, you can even change the positions. The blinking line on the document area is called the cursor. It tells the position of the typed text. So you understood which one? Now let us see. Is this clear children? The blinking line, the black color line which appears on a white background text, that's document area, that is known as cursor. Cursor is a position from where the text will be starting. We can even change the position. Now let us see the last one, the last important component of Microsoft Word, that is rulers. Basically there are two rulers available, horizontal and vertical. Vertical means the straight one, horizontal means the slanting one. Vertical, the column you can say, horizontal, row. So there are two rulers available in Microsoft Word interface. Now let us see which one. Did you got children? The arrow pointing, there are two different arrows. Okay, so both the arrows are pointing towards the rulers. They are having some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. It is used for setting the margin. It keeps the track of the page margin, how much page margin you'll be leaving up, that is top, bottom, left and right. Height and width of the page is also decided by rulers. So this is also a very important components. Once again I am saying how many components we have learned. The first component is title bar, second quick access toolbar, third ribbon, fourth file tab, fifth document area, sixth status bar, seventh cursor and eighth ruler. Total 8 component of Microsoft Word. Is this clear children?